Yo, what's going on today, guys? Royce here. Today we're going to be rolling with another vlog, so let's go. I want to actually try fixing my hoverboard, because I don't know if you guys know, but it well, it didn't totally snap in half. That's why I'm saying I could possibly be able to fix it. I think I just need to look at it, but it's like, this part's off of like the center, but the good part is this center part in the middle is not snapped. Just this plastic part here is off of the metal part in the middle. Something snapped in between, but the metal part in the middle is not snapped, so that's good. But somehow the plastic came off the metal, so we need to figure that out. The bottom of this thing is absolutely completely wrecked, and I think the best thing to do would probably be to take off this bottom panel. So I'm gonna go grab a screwdriver and take this stuff off. I'm kind of checking out these tires. Man, they got some pretty good wear and tear on them. Just doing some riding. Kind of crazy how much actually wears down on these tires. Trying to take a look. This bolt is stripped out right here, and down here I'm just trying to see what bolts kind of came out and out of their place. Doesn't look like the actual, yeah, that might be cracked there, but we'll see, guys. We'll see. I don't know if it'll be curable. Hoverboard maybe RIP. Looks like we're gonna have to drill out that little bolt. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. That little bolt is so stripped out. We're just gonna have to drill it out. So let's go grab a drill. It's official, guys. I now know what has happened. This has completely. Here, let me get some better light on this. That has completely cracked off of that piece. You guys can probably see. Yeah, it's completely shattered. So that is why. Here, let's put the phone right there, somewhere where you can get some extra light. But that is why. See that? That's completely cracked off. That is actually insane. So now we know why the hoverboard was not, functioning right. Completely cracked. I thought that this metal piece was not cracked, and it definitely indeed is. Man, that kind of sucks. I actually wonder what would happen if I even JB welded this. Tell me in the comment section if you guys want me to even try it. For all of you guys who are like, Royce, JB weld is straight up just not gonna work. I realize that, but I think it'd be funny to see how long it would last. Got some new pants, and I want to clean all this crap up. My entire room is starting to turn into a wreck again, so let's... Whoa! Alright, it's clean. That was weird. Honestly, guys, that made me pretty dizzy. This camera back here is starting to collect some dust. Haven't used it in forever. I should pack my bag, but I'm not leaving till around like 5 tomorrow, so it's not all that much of a big deal. Check out these new shorts that I got. Kind of like the pattern. Pretty cool. Hoverboard project is being put on hold. This coat needs to be washed. Wow, that's actually disgustingly filthy. Probably more dirt biking. Stupid me. Yo guys, what is going on? It's the morning now. We're at the cabin. Little update. Got the Bobcat Razor. Jeep's over there. Snowmobile's right there. I'm gonna do some snowmobile riding today. I need to go see if my GoPro's charged. Hopefully it is. I'm gonna be disappointed if it's not charged, but we still should be able to get a decent charge if it's not. I just realized the lens is totally foggy. Oh my gosh. It was outside all night in my dad's truck, so that's why it's probably all weird. Alright guys, GoPro is charged. Hopefully the sound isn't muffled. I'm gonna have to cut all this footage if it is, but GoPro is charged. Guys, out of nowhere, it's starting to snow. Like, completely out of nowhere. You know what? I'm okay with it. I'm not complaining, but it is out of nowhere. Shall we go outside, check it out, start up the Jeep, do some off-road, snowmobiling, something. I have no idea, but I say we should go outside. Ooh, maybe my sweatshirt. I threw it in the dryer. Hopefully it's dry. And, oh, we need to make my GoPro mount for my helmet. Okay, guys, we got some stuff to do. Guys, yesterday I uploaded a full snowmobiling video, which you guys have been asking for a while, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And if you guys haven't seen it, because my internet sucks so bad, I uploaded at like 10 o'clock at night, and I was like, Oh my gosh, at least it uploaded, but it really sucked. The internet was so bad. But anyways, I need to be quiet because it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I don't know why I woke up so early, but it's okay. Getting the drone out because it absolutely dumped snow last night. Like, I'm talking like 3-4 inches, which we definitely needed. It was starting to get crappy around here. Roads are super bare. Where I rode yesterday, it was like 6,000 feet, so it wasn't bare at all, but around here, it's like 2,500 feet or something like that. So it was kind of getting bare, but I am so happy it snowed. And so yeah, let's go ahead. I'm charging up the drone battery right now. Got my spark plugs, new spark plugs for my snowmobile here, because I fouled 2 of them. Way to go, me, of course. And yeah, I cannot wait to see what it looks like, guys. Alright, trying to be quiet, don't want to wake people up at the cabin, but just gonna throw on my Romeos here. Shoot, no, washer, do not turn on. Every time I go to turn up or put on my shoes, I will reach down just for like some brace. Always press the power button. Gosh dang it, guys. It's okay though, it didn't start. Guys, this is gonna be cold. Alright, let's go. Oh, yes, boys. Okay, I may have underestimated the 3 inches. Let's see. Come on, focus, camera. There you go. Oh my gosh, guys. I am so happy. It has not snowed like this in literally forever. Just, oh my gosh. The sunrise is going to be literally beautiful. Look at that, guys. You can already see it starting to break away up there. Oh, I cannot wait. I want to start out the Jeep, but she's kind of loud. We might. Alright, anyways, let's go check out what we got going on over here. Dad 6'7" is completely snowed over. Anyways, funny story about my snowmobile. So we were totally just like unloading it off my friend's truck, because we don't have a trailer right now, it's back at home. And just unloading it off my friend's truck. I didn't let it warm up, being me, just kind of stupid, and just totally went off, and then it wouldn't start up. It went, so I'm pretty sure I fouled a plug. Couldn't have blown up the motor. That would have been that. Alright, at first we were like, no, it's blown, but obviously not, because there's no way that could have been blown. But yeah, spark plug swap coming soon. Actually, I wanted to put the spark plugs in the Jeep, so they're out here. Look how beautiful this is, though, guys. You can't deny this is absolutely beautiful. Wow. No snow anywhere? I'll take it. Alright, let's put the spark plugs here. And I don't think I'm going to start it up. It's just a tad bit early. I kept waking up, going to bed, waking up, going to bed. And it was like 6 a.m. and I was like, you know what? The sunrise is going to be pretty cool this morning. I'm going to go get it on the drone. Looked out the window, completely snowy. I was like, oh my gosh. So I got all hyped, and I'm not going back to bed now. Anyways, let's go check out the sunrise is doing. I might eat a little bit of breakfast or something like that. I don't know. Just digging trenches. My feet are gonna be absolutely frozen, that's for sure. Sunrise is over there, though. I'm gonna give it probably like 5 more minutes. 10. I don't know. I'm gonna look on Google, see when the sunrise is. Dude, if I miss this, though, I'm actually gonna be kind of mad. Did I just call you guys dude? I don't even know, guys. I am just too tired. Alright, going back inside. Gonna get warm for a little bit, and coming back out, getting that sunrise. I swear if I do not get this, oh, I'm gonna be mad. So there wasn't exactly an ending to the vlog that I just filmed and edited, so hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys did. Like always, if you guys want to see more videos, leave it down in the comment section. Comment videos you guys would maybe like to see, like snowmobile videos, stuff like that. I don't know. Give me some suggestions. Peace out.